Only 9% of you will success in achieving his goals this year. Most of you has the same goals, such as making $100,000 online, going to the gym and creating his dream physique, traveling the world, etc. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies and tips to make 2024 the best year of your life. We'll discuss ways to improve your health, boost your happiness, enhance your relationships, and achieve your personal goals. 1. Set clear and achievable goals. Start by setting clear and realistic goals for the year ahead. Break down these goals into smaller, manageable steps to help you stay on track too. Prioritize your health. Make 2024 the year you finally focus on your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. This can include adopting a new exercise routine, eating healthier foods, or seeking professional help for any mental health issues. 3. Practice financial discipline. Get your finances in order by creating a budget, paying off debt, and saving for the future. This can involve setting up automatic savings transfers, investing in your retirement account, or exploring ways to reduce expenses. 4. Cultivate a growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset to embrace challenges, learn from setbacks, and view effort as a path to mastery. This can help you develop resilience and adaptability, which are essential for personal growth. 5. Use a workbook. Consider using a workbook such as the free 29-page workbook from Mel Robbins to help you reflect on the past year and create a plan for 2024. Remember, making 2024 the best year of your life is a journey, not a destination. By setting clear goals, trying new things, and cultivating gratitude and motivation, you can make meaningful progress towards your personal goals and aspirations. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out the resources mentioned above and stay tuned for more motivation and self-development advice.